know I'm a Louis fan, so you're gonna have to do Louis some justice.
Alright.
Alright, come on.
My hoes, they do drugs. This is the no talking mix. Really about that. Who am I? I'm Capo, I'm from the shop. All my hoes, they be looking at me with that wonder eye. Asking me, can they get hot? I be telling them I'm fly, just like Louis with new boo. And we lawless like them guys. And they say we suicide, we throw them doors on them times. And them niggas say it's bad, but we living them good times. Just like I'm JJ Evans, we gon' say it's dynamite. All my hoes be looking like they tryna whip up minute rice. Uncle B clicking twice on the stove is looking right. All my niggas really trapping cause they know we bout that life. And we all good boy, just like the big beats. And these niggas say what a nigga say gon' sleep. And we all in the T-R-A-A-P. And I take the T-R-A-A-P. That's the track. And these niggas know how we inside rap. Do it dope, cause we getting how we do it. And we living on the low. Niggas saying yeah we do it cause my hoes doing drugs.
What?
We knowing how we do it. We do drugs in the club. Got my own thing, I ain't doing for no buzz. And these niggas know my name, I don't do it for the drugs. Hoes doing drugs, niggas doing drugs. Say no to drugs, Jose you know the drug. Jose is the plug. Jose make the drugs.
My hoes they do drugs. What?
My hoes they do drugs. I like that.
I did too, nigga. That was some real shit. It's a 2-minute video. How I'm gonna post this on Instagram?